In the fast-paced world of cybersecurity, a new API security startup is shaking up the industry with its cutting-edge approach to protecting digital services and applications. This startup leverages machine learning, behavioral analysis, and real-time threat intelligence to provide advanced protection against emerging threats, setting it apart from traditional legacy solutions. At the heart of the startup's solution is the integration of machine learning and artificial intelligence, enabling proactive threat detection and adaptive defense mechanisms to effectively thwart sophisticated cyber threats. By continuously monitoring global threat landscapes and leveraging threat intelligence feeds, the platform can rapidly identify and respond to evolving security risks, staying ahead of emerging threats. Unlike traditional legacy solutions, the startup's API security platform offers unmatched agility and scalability, seamlessly scaling to meet the evolving needs of organizations, from startups to enterprise-level deployments. Early adopters have praised the startup's innovative approach, citing significant improvements in threat detection, incident response times, and overall cybersecurity posture, underscoring the platform's effectiveness in safeguarding critical assets.